The Cedars restaurant in Newcastle wants you to indulge in the food from their pleasing menu. The Cedars features Mediterranean, pub food, Middle Eastern cuisine, and so much more. They're open every day 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Call the Cedars on the east side at 827 Addis Street, Newcastle. 724-658-9543. That's 724-658-9543.
Welcome to the Cedars Sports Corner, and well, let's get to NHL hockey. Maybe those Pittsburgh Penguins will bring out their green shirts as they are done with their road trip. After taking a knocking around by the Flyers, they're taking on the New Jersey Devils today in Pittsburgh. So break out the green shirts, guys, and let's get a win. Now, over in Major League Baseball, those battling buccos, what do you think? You think they're going to play? Yeah, you got it. They're playing Baltimore again. It's St. Patrick's Day. Why not play somebody you really like? Because they've been playing Baltimore. You know, so the Orioles and the Pirates get together, and just amazing. Cleveland's at Texas. Now, think about that. Cleveland's been playing Texas, and Pittsburgh's been playing Baltimore. It just seems like, wow. Do they get anything different? Now, over in the NBA, and you got to wonder what's going on with NBA basketball, because what the heck, you know, Cleveland, they don't like to go away too much because they don't know where to stay. Well, Dallas is at Philadelphia, Chicago is at Washington, and Boston is at Brooklyn. Now, that's a pretty good lineup. I personally like the Celtics at St. Patrick's Day, and you know, that'd be a good little thing to watch. The NCAA basketball tournament continues with its second round, and there'll be a whole bunch of fun with that as people have filled out their basketball tournament challenges and everything else. Make sure you get over to Cedars, celebrate St. Patrick's Day, get some great food, and just have a well of a weekend. Now, we're going to be back right after this timeout.